Now that you're familiar with the compounding interest equation, I want to take a look at finding out how much the interest is for each year in a compounding account. We're going to be using the formula F for future value equals 1 plus I is the interest rate per period, raised to n, the number of periods, multiplied with the principal. And that interest rate per period is found as the interest rate per year divided by the number of periods in a year. All right, the problem reads $2,000 is invested for 3 years in a monthly compounding account with annual interest rate of 1.5%. What is the earned interest at the end of 1 year? First, I want the future value at the end of 1 year. Now the interest rate per period, we would take our interest rate for the year, 0.015, and divide it by 12 since there are 12 periods in a year, and this is compounding monthly. The exponent is going to be 12 once again because there's 12 periods in a year, and the principal was $2,000. If we use technology like Web 2.0 calculator, the way that I would type this in is I would begin with a grouping symbol. I use the X to the Y button, and I multiply this by 2,000. You'll notice up above that the equation is typing in and translating into what I had written. So if I hit equals, the future value after 1 year is $2,030.21. So we started off with $2,000, and that means the interest would be $30.21. That's how much was earned at the end of 1 year. B, what is the interest earned at the end of 2 years? Okay, so the future value is calculated the same way. With the exception that our exponent is now 24. Now I type the equation in. And I have that the balance at the end of 2 years is $2,060.87. So the interest earned at the end of 2 years is $60.87. But some of this interest was earned in the first year, so the interest that's earned in just year 2 would be calculated by taking the $60.87 minus $30.21, and that will tell us in the second year we earned $30.66. And the total interest earned at the end of 2 years is $60. The interest earned in only year 2 is $30.66. And we'll notice that that is a little bit more than the interest earned in the first year, and that's because we're earning interest on the interest earned from the first year. Now when we come down to part C, which is what is the interest earned at the end of 3 years, we're going to expect a little bit more interest earned once again. This time we have 36 compounding periods because there are 36 months in 3 years. The future value at the end of 3 years is $2,092. The interest earned after 3 years is $92. The interest earned in only year 3 is $92 minus the interest earned by the end of year 2, which is $31.13.